Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2020 Ford Explorer ST with a 400A package. The exterior color is star white metallic, and under the hood we have a 3-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have LED high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, an engine block heater connection, front-facing park sensors, and a front-facing camera. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. We have color-matched door handles and black mirror caps. Each mirror comes equipped with one camera to complete our 360-degree camera view. At the rear, we have privacy-tinted windows, and up top we have our beautiful twin-panel moonroof as well as our roof rails. This Ford Explorer also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have a power liftgate with hands-free foot activation, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, memory seating for the driver, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with blind spot information system. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial as well as our liftgate button. And we have a fully telescopic steering wheel with our adaptive cruise control settings and entertainment controls to the left. Over at the right, we have our information trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have 3 garage door opener controls and our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our 10-inch Sync 3 touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver can also view the display of the rear view and 360-degree cameras. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have a dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy air-conditioned and heated seats, and our driver can enjoy a heated steering wheel. We have a turn-dial gear shift with select shift option for the driver, as well as dual cup holders with ambient lighting underneath, a wireless charging pad, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear of our center console, we have our rear climate control area, as well as dual USB ports and an AC outlet. Our second row passengers can also enjoy heated seats. And our dual captain chairs leave tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 2 passengers, while creating an easy walkway to third row seating. Our third row provides seating for 2 more passengers, making this a total of 6 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Explorer, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.